Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's exam entry time and I'd like to help you. Once you've worked through the ABRSM Grade 1 Music Theory and Practice workbook, if you're thinking of taking the exam, the best way you can prepare is to complete lots of past exam papers. In order to help you, I've gone through several years of past papers. To date, I've completed step by step all of 2014, 15, 16 and 2017 past papers. And I've also completed the sample papers, X and Y. These are freely available to download from ABRSM. You'll find the link to that in the description. And these show you the new layout of the exam paper from 2018 onwards. You can find the link to the playlist for these video tutorials in the description and also in the cards. You can also find links to all of my video tutorials on my website if you visit sharonbill.com. On that website, you'll also find some free PDFs. These have all the information that you need to understand to work through Grade 1 ABRSM. You can download these PDFs in US letter or A4 for everything you need to know in your studies. You can also find links to the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually working through your exam paper. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super. Please do subscribe to my channel and then we can get cracking. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.